Every neighborhood in Nigeria needs someone like me. I'm Nigerian Spider-Man. I'm not happy with the way I see waste littering everywhere. It has become our normal way of life, and which isn't supposed to be our way of life. I started environmental cleanup exercise in 2004. I hate dirty environment, and I always clean my environment. And one day I extended what I do in my home outside to the street, and that's how the whole thing began. The reason why I'm putting on the Spider-Man costume is to draw people's attention, because when I'm in Mufti and I go out for my cleanup exercise and I tell people to join me, majority of the people that I meet don't want to be part of the exercise. So it became a plan to put on the Spider-Man costume so that I can get the attention of the people, so that they will love what I'm doing and they will also become an hero. It's our duty to keep the environment clean. Do you know it's our duty? Yeah. You can do much. Yeah. You can tell your neighbors. There is a disparity. When Africans travel out of Africa to a place like Europe, America, they begin to abide by the law of the land. But sadly, they come back to Africa, they begin to litter anyhow. We should stop the belief that we are dirty people. There's so much litter in our society today because there is no regulation. You no longer see sanitation officials visiting homes on a regular basis. There are cases of Lassa fever, cholera, malaria. If every one of us can keep our environment clean, we'll be free of these diseases. Nigeria needs to be safe for us. We need to stop open dumping. Don't dispose your waste on the drainage system. We need to protect the ocean and protect its inhabitants. To have an environment that we'll be proud of is everybody's business.